All right, John E. Garage here again. This is my new, well, it's not new, but it's an older 1971 440. And I bought this off Craigslist. Don't really know what I have. I do know that it's a 1971 as the block indicates. It says 1971 here on the pad. And G440, I believe this is a truck motor. Has 346 heads, nothing to shout about, that's for sure. Had an Edelbrock Performer older manifold. So in the coming videos we're going to do some reconnaissance on this thing to take a look to see what I have. I will tell you right now that I don't believe there's any high performance items on here, but we're going to kind of take a look. We're going to do some valve cleaning up, try some lapping the valves most likely, take a look at the heads. Heads on these things are always the most important for performance. I'll measure the cam. Don't even know what kind of cam it is. I'll see if I can measure it, see what I have, and we'll kind of take it from there. Have a good day. Bye-bye.